Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I was gifted this air fryer. I have begun in recent years using air fryers a lot, and I'm anxious to see how this one works. It came very well boxed, let me say that. And here it has the manual, instructions and such. Everything you need here. Here is the plate that goes in the air fryer. And the unit itself. Okay. Which is really nice. It has a window here. It has the little tray here. And this goes inside. And we're going to cook a meal. This does come off. And like I say, I'm anxious to try it because I love cooking. And we'll just make up a meal and see how it works. Okay, I'm going to cook some French fries today. So I just basically put them in. I'm going to put it on air fryer and start. And then you have the counter here. And again, it will tell you exactly what to do, 15 to 18 minutes. And then you just wait. And the other thing that I love about this air fryer is you can turn on the little light and you can actually watch the progress of your food. How neat is that? You can see inside the window. Okay, so I've turned it on and it has some really neat features. Here's your settings button, and you can set your display, language, brightness, your clock, your sound. You can even change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here are the different modes you can choose. Today we're going to be cooking ribs, so I'll find something that's comparable to that. Let's just say we're going to cook some pork chops, and the nice thing about it, it gives you the time, it gives you the amount you can put in the basket, it gives you a recipe here, it gives you the steps on how to prepare that meat to go in, it gives you the time and temperature. Now this one in particular is in Celsius, so if you need to change it to Fahrenheit, that's fine. You would cook it on 355 for 22 minutes. You can bake in this air fryer. You can dehydrate in this air fryer. It has a myriad of different functions, which I really love. And the nice thing about it is if I want to make a recipe, I can come in and program a recipe, or I can add, like, let's just say I want to I want to save this one right here, for instance. And I just click the little heart. I've saved it for the next time. I can go back in and I'll have that recipe, or if I'd like to add a recipe, I can do that. It shows you even how to make a salad. This is great for your kids. If they come in and just say, I need to, Mom, I need to help with dinner tonight, they can come in and read the steps, ingredients, and it's a great teaching tool. The other thing too is it takes far less time to prepare dinner. You just have it all ready here for you. For instance, let's just say they want French fries and they want a pound. You can put up to a pound. You click on the steps and then it tells you how to put the French fries in, how long to cook it, and of course you have your Celsius or Fahrenheit. This one is 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 minutes, and it's just really great, and children can learn to cook on their own with your help. And then the other feature that it has is you can actually see inside of the air fryer when you're cooking, and we'll show that a little bit later. But we're going to cook up a couple things here and hope you like it. Okay, I'm going to put my ribs in. I have the setting for the ribs, which is really nice. You can add, it has a little recipe here that you can add to it if you want. It says 60 minutes at 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna set it, close our drawer here, and we're gonna push start. So we've got it set for 60 minutes. This will make a nice rib. It's not cooking too fast, and that's what I like about it. And we'll plate it up when it's done. I hope that you'll give this air fryer a try. It's the YUKO Smart air fryer. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.